Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my Hollyland LARK M1 microphone. Wireless mic. I have joined the gang. This is my latest YouTube gear update. I am upgrading. If you want to see this microphone, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. Welcome back, guys. So for the longest time I have been using my Boya BYM1 mic, and it's a mic that comes with a very long wire and it has very little noise cancellation features. And I bought the first one, it went bad. I bought the second one, and second one now I used to touch and go. Like before I film any video, I will test it and check the recording. Sometimes halfway through filming I have to stop and retest it because it was cutting off my audio. And then I just said, instead of me to now go and get another Boya mic, Rode mic is so expensive, and you know, someone got to upgrade. So I decided I was gonna go wireless, and I did my research. I saw this one, like M1 and the like M2. I checked my budget and I said, okay, can I afford the like M1? So I went ahead to get this. Now this video is not for me to show you or to tell you the specs of this microphone, okay? There are people who are into techie stuff. Just type in Hollyland LARK M1 and it will show you everything. I'm just your everyday girl and I want to show you how my mic looks, okay? I bought this mic from Jumia. They were having a sale, and so I just jumped on board and kept my fingers crossed and prayed that it wasn't like a faulty product. And the product came, I tested it, and everything was okay and fine and dandy. Okay, so I got this for like a third of the price it would typically go for. It came well packaged by Jumia. I had already opened it. This is the Hollyland LARK M1. Okay, I'm just going to be showing you and walking you through this mic. All right, so this is the Hollyland LARK M1, the mic I got, and you open it up. I've already opened it up before because I couldn't wait for you guys. Open it up and you have this beautiful pouch right here. You can see Hollyland written right there, and then you open it up and you have the products in it. You have the case. I did my research and I bought the one with double mic. Take this off and you have the 2 mics and the receiver right here, and then you have 2 dead cats just to help with noise cancellation and all of that. Looks just like this. Okay, then right here you have a USB-C charger. You have this one to connect with the gray head and the black head to connect to your phone, so you can use this wireless mic with your phones as well, and this one with your DSLR camera. And then you also have this normal phone jacks, I think for iPhone, and normal USB-C phone stuff. So you have this, you put it in where you normally charge your phone, and put this one to the receiver, of course. And then you have this other one is for iPhone, and this one you put here, this part on the audio jack of your phone, and this one on the receiver. And then you have your manual. I don't know what this is, FCC requirement. Then you have a card, thank you, we are here for you, and all of that. I already watched some videos on how to use the mic. I have tested it and it is good. I use the Canon M50, the original M50, and this is the level my audio is. I always record my films on manual, and so once you bring this out, you see it's already on. You see this blue light right here. I just have to take out this rubbery stuff, keep this down here. You can see that it's blinking. I mean, that it's looking for the receiver. And then this is the first receiver. Remove this. When this light is blue, it shows that the noise cancellation is not on. And then when you press it once, it turns to green, and that tells you, that's on the microphone, that the noise cancellation is on. Okay, now this one, I already tested it earlier, and so I had already changed it. When the light is on blue, that means that this is on stereo mode. And stereo mode, when you use the audio, it goes from like left to right and right to left, and it's not like the full audio. I did my research, and the tech guy I watched his video suggested that we always leave this on mono so that it takes audio from both sides. And so I'll just press. You can see that the sides, there are buttons. You can always watch like tech people's videos and you understand much more. You have the volume up and down, you have the switch button, you have the output right here. And so if you press this volume down button for some seconds, it turns to green. That means that you are on the mono mode. Always ensure you film on mono mode, especially if you are like me and you are going to be making use of only one microphone per time. Even if you are still going to make use of two microphones, it's still the same thing. Now this is the second microphone. It automatically pairs once it comes out. Personally, unless the place is very noisy, I really do not like leaving it on the noise cancellation. So this will always, more often than not, be blue. Let me just take off this nylon. And then this one will be green. You can see that they're already paired. Once this light is blinking, it shows that it's not paired. It has a charging port right here. You can charge with it with your USB-C cable, and you can also charge it. You can see that this is fully charged. You can see the light right here. It also has like a charging port at the base of this case right here. And this dead cat, lest I forget, if you want to place it, just place it on top of the microphone. It clips in place easily and simply, just like that. Good. So guys, from my next video, I hope our audio quality is gonna be improved. I'm so happy I got this. It's an investment. As you grow and you upgrade, you know, it's good to upgrade. What am I saying? This is the mic. I'm so happy I got this. As you grow on your channel and you start earning something, or you just have some money, it's always good to invest. And I'm so happy for this investment. I really hope like our audio is going to be improved. Right now I'm filming, the audio is still my Boya mic, and I cannot tell you how many times I've had to like pause this video and check it whether it is still recording. So this one is it's really good. It doesn't record audio in the mic. I don't mind, because I'm already used to my audio recording to my video or whatever I'm using to film, so I'm okay with that. In future we can upgrade to other ones, but for now I am really happy with the audio quality. I didn't do an audio test because I'm already using my Boya mic, but in subsequent videos I'm going to be using this. I've already tested it and it is good. If I'm able to, I'll just insert a clip of me doing a test with this right here. Hello, so this is the mic test for the Hollyland LARK M1 microphone. I have the two microphones right here. You can see the blue light is showing, so noise cancellation is off. Audio, mic 1, mic 1, testing, testing, testing. Mic 2, testing, testing, testing. The audio seems quite clear. When I take it close to my mouth, it is a bit clearer. This is the mic, the first mic. Hello, hello, mic 1, mic 1. And then we have the second mic. Hello, hello, mic 2, mic 2. And then I am filming on the mono mode on. So that means that the light on the receiver on my camera, my Canon M50 camera, is showing green. I like the audio better on the mono mode. So I think the audio is pretty much good. So that's our test for our Hollyland LARK M1. Did you hear that? Okay. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned till the end. And until I come your way again next week, remain blessed. Bye guys.